In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add music to your Instagram profile page. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now adding music is really easy. Firstly, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, click on edit profile, and here we will see an option of music, and you can see add music to your profile. We need to tap on it. After that, you can search the music which you want to add on your profile. So I want to add an NCS music. After that, you can choose the song. I want to choose this one. After that, we need to tap on this arrow. Once you tap on it, you can choose the portion of your song which you want to add on your page. So I want to choose this portion. After that, you can preview it by tapping on this playback icon, and you can preview it. Once you are happy with everything, tap on the tick from the top right, and now it will be added on your profile. If I go back to my profile, you can see the song has been added on my profile page. I can play it by tapping on the play icon. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.